So now let's see how we can work around with Website Instantly plugin inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with Website Instantly plugin, you need to go around onto Explore GPT's section right here. So once you go around over here onto this section, you can go around onto the Search GPT's section right here and then type in, let's say for example, Website Instantly right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that Website Instantly multi-page is an option right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here and then click on Start Chat right here, just like this. And now I'm going to go around and tell it to make a website. So I'm just going to go around and say make a website about a multimedia tutorial website named TutorTube. Let's say for example, just like this. I'm just going to go around and then give it this right here. So now you can see that it is asking for some information. So I'm just going to go around and say just go ahead and add dummy data right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, then you can see that I can go around and it says understood right here, and it starts creating the details for that particular website. As you can see right here, it's adding feature blocks and so forth, as you can see right here, blocks, as you can see right here, and so forth, as you can see right here. So it does take a bit of time because it is creating the entire page right here. So it's also adding pricing blocks and form blocks, as you can see right here, just like this. And now it is also creating sub pages for additional information, as you can see right here, and the information for that sub page is right here. So it does take a bit of time, as you can see right here, just like this. So it's adding in some form block over here as well. It's adding in logo, and then now it is creating the website. And now you need to go around and allow it to go around and connect to an external plugin, and it's starting the action, as you can see right here, and then it is actually talking right here to another plugin right here. So it does take a bit of time and you need to wait. So it is talking right here. So you can see that it actually go around, and then you can see that this is what you have. So it says the main page for TutorTube has been successfully created with the following structure, and you can view the website or access the dashboard for management setting using the links below. So let's just go around onto the website right here, and you can see that it actually created the home page right here, just like this. So now you can see that this is what you have. You got TutorTube right here. It says welcome to TutorTube. It says get started and why choose TutorTube, and you can see that it created everything right here with graphic design, as you can see right here. It even added in images, as you can see right here, and pricing plans, and it even added in form blocks, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is a responsive website as well. So that is how you can utilize the Website Instantly plugin inside of ChatGPT to just go around and generate websites outright, just like this, as you can see right here. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.